Now we're ready to add some finishing touches for the final rendering. From the View menu, select Fit Views to All. Let's group the lid and the bottle together. From the Selection menu, choose Select All. Then from the Modeling menu, select Group. Using the Move tool, do an Option-click drag on the left handle and drag to the left. We've now made a copy of our bottle. Next, click and drag the red handle on the front of the bottle. If you drag to the left or right, the bottle will get closer or further from us. Move it slightly behind the center bottle. Let's make a duplicate to the right side of the center bottle. Select the center bottle and then click Option Drag the right handle and drag to the right. Again, click and drag the red handle on the front of the bottle and move it behind the center bottle. Let's temporarily hide the center bottle from our view. Select the center bottle, and from the Selection menu, choose Hide Selected. From the Tool palette, select the Rotate tool. Using this tool, select the bottle on the left. You'll notice several handles which indicates directions you can drag to rotate. Drag the front right handle and move to the left. If you hold down the Shift key while you drag, the rotation will constrain to 45-degree increments. Rotate the bottle to the left so we can see this side of the label. Let's do the same with the bottle on the right. Select the right bottle, and then drag the front left handle and move to the right to show this side of the label. Let's bring back the center bottle. Go to the Selection menu and select Show Hidden. Click the Live Ray button just to see what our bottles look like when rendered. Our bottles are looking nice. Click the Live Ray button to turn it off. Now we're ready to use the Stage Model feature. Stage Model is a part of the Winter 2015-2016 release and makes it easy to use templates to stage your finished models. Templates are huge time savers and offer a variety of professionally created scenes to render your models in. From the Selection menu, choose Select All. From the File menu, choose Stage Selected Model. You'll now see previews of all the possible staging templates to choose from. Templates include common studio setups, mock-ups for displaying products on a shelf, point-of-purchase displays, and other interior and exterior environments. Let's choose the second template in the list, Dark Studio. At the bottom left of the dialog are two checkbox options for scaling your model to fit the template and to rotate your model to face the camera. We'll leave these to their default setting of being on. Now click the button Stage Model in Template. Your selected models will automatically be transferred into a new document using the Dark Studio template. You can see that Live Ray is on by default for staged models to help you quickly see how your project looks. Let's close the window and try another template. This time, instead of selecting the command from the File menu, let's use the button in the button bar. Let's see how this project would look on a store shelf. This time, select the Shelf Center Multiple Placement template. Click the button Stage Model in Template. The selection will automatically be duplicated across the shelf. With just 2 clicks, we've created a photorealistic scene of what our products would look like placed on a store shelf. This concludes the first project tutorial. Next, watch the fundamental videos to continue learning Strata Design 3D.